The engine is cold. Okay, so this is a test ride with the neutral map mod. So basically we have shorted the connector of the gear position sensor. So the ECU think that is always in neutral. So the goal here is to see if the engine will have codes by running like this. This does not seem to affect engine power. There is plenty acceleration in fifth gear. At first glance, the jerkiness of the throttle seems to be gone, mostly. Let's do a quick acceleration. Okay. No engine codes yet. With the clutch switch bypassed and the two wires shorted together, the bike will pop two engine codes in about 5 minutes. So I'll ride for about 30 minutes just to make sure. If it happens, the engine will become in limp mode, and basically what it does is it cuts the power about in half. Now in fifth gear, yes, 6. And before, I could not, I have the clutch in, but I could not control the RPM like that. That was practically impossible. Any throttle input would automatically jump to 4000 RPM. But it's a lot more manageable in the city. And this clutch assist thing is, I really don't like it, because it messes up the RPMs when you're about to take off. So for me it is very annoying. I like to have the full control. This is a dangerous place to do bicycles. Cars are coming fast and a lot of dead angles and hills. So when you're coming to a hill, maybe the car won't see you, and this is dangerous for a bicycle. Okay, let's do a quick test. 50 kilometers limit. We are in fifth gear. 2000 RPM. I know I will push it a lot, but 1800 RPM. This is possible. That's sure that the engine doesn't like it very much, but a lot better than before. I can perfectly control the speed I am going. Fourth gear, third gear. Before, just going at 30 kilometers an hour was almost impossible in the city. There it is, second gear. First gear. Second. Third. Cruising in third gear at about 40 kilometers per hour. No jerking. Smooth acceleration. Fourth gear. Fifth. If I let go of the throttle, no excessive engine braking. Let's try at in fourth gear, 3500 RPM. No excessive engine braking. Very manageable. And when I give throttle back, there is no jerk. So third gear, 4000 RPM. Still very good. No engine codes yet. This is about 10 kilometers that I've done. So in this case you lost the gear position indicator, but I am thinking a way to restore for it to work, and full the ECU thinking it is in neutral, but display the gear on the dash. Acceleration, maybe it's just me, but it seems that the acceleration seems to be more linear. I don't know. It has a different feeling to the acceleration, more smoother, less vibration, less noise. Fourth 9 trick. You should try that Fourth 9 contour leaning trick. This is for me. This is working very good. It allows me to take the corner faster and safer. Second gear and contour leaning, upright body, like that. If the bike ever slides the rear, you're much more in control, because it's not only the bike will slide, not you too, if you lean with the bike. Okay, fourth gear. in the city. 2500 RPM. No jerking at all, very smooth. About 2100 RPM. You can still accelerate. This is a little confusing at the red lights. That the dash shows neutral. I know this is a little low revving, but this is for testing. I don't usually ride like this. Fifth gear, 50 kilometers per hour. $1900 RPM. Oh, that was a little that works, but you are lugging the engine in fifth gear. What is going on? Yeah, sometimes I miss my 650 for the city riding. It was smoother, easier to control. Like that, in traffic like this, it will be very annoying without the mud. With the engine cutting abruptly. Now this seems pretty smooth. I'm thinking I am in fourth gear. Okay, no. Now in second gear. I'm going to turn without I was going to turn without clutch. Ah, no clutch. I was at idle and no clutch. No engine codes yet. It seems to be very windy outside, but beautiful day, sunny day. About 20 kilometers. With the clutch switch, it will have already in limp mode. That's the day of the old cars. Everybody want to show their collection cars. Yes, sometimes with you are in a turn and you accidentally hit the 0% throttle and it just engine braking like crazy. So I just did it and it didn't engine brake like it did before. Saint-Urbain premier, nous voilà. So far it could be a viable option to the throttle, the snatchy throttle jerky, especially for city riding. And it's free. That was I had a forum. I put the link in the description. For those who have this problem, the jerky throttle. Little rear wheel sliding action. Oh wow, look at these colors. This is beautiful. Oh, these raining leaves. The engine fuel consumption doesn't seem to have changed. It is it's in its normal range, 4 liters per 100 kilometers. Still in 5th gear. Second gear. Kilometers and still no engine codes. Sixth gear. Okay, so this is it, guys. The neutral map mod with shorting the gear position sensor. Thank you for watching.